Engaged lessons for the 21st century.
You are presently looking at lesson 1 of 2 on creating tables. Now in this lesson you are going to create a very basic table, which is comprised of rows and columns. And you must read the directions that we have prepared for you in here to enable you to do this. Now here is a result of what we had from before. You'll notice in row 1 we have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and here's row 2, row 3, and row 4 I have Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Now we're incorporating a picture in each one of these of what we might be doing on that day, and below that in row 3 you are going to type in what is happening in that row. Now I didn't expand on a lot of it because I know you will in the near future. Now let me very quickly go over. You're going to open up Microsoft Word, and in doing so you are going to go from portrait to landscape. Now this might not be true for all situations, but in this lesson it is. Adjust your margins to 0.8. That'll give you plenty of room on all sides. Then hit your enter key 3 times to create that buffer. Go to insert tables and insert a table that has 4 columns and 6 rows. And it explains right here what each one of those will do. Now, upon doing so, this will give you a nice, neat, and clean table. As it says right here, you may wish to delete this cell right here. So simply highlight the last 3 cells, right-click on your mouse, and a pull-down window will appear. Choose Delete Cells and then Shift Cells Left. When you are finished, go to Insert Header and choose the 3rd one down, alphabet. Type in your name and grade level. Tap the Escape key to exit out of the header. You may find photos listed for you on the server, or in any other situation you probably could go to Google or Yahoo and get images. Let's look at the table now and see how this works. This is the beginning of how to create a table. You'll notice I'm in Microsoft Word. I have the ribbon page layout set up, and I'm going to click on margins, but I'm going to change it from landscape, and I'm going to change my margins to 0.8 all the way around. Then I'm going to click on OK. Then hit my enter key a few times to create that buffer. Trust me, it'll make your job a lot easier. Then I can move it back up 1 click if I would like. Next, I'm going to click on Insert Table, Insert Table, and if you recall, we want 4 columns and 6 rows. And click on OK. And there we go. Now in the first row, I'm going to type in the days of the week. After typing those in, I'm going to click on the word Home. I'm going to increase the size, click on Bold, and center them. Same thing holds true here. I'm going to click on Bold, increase the size, and center them. Now, what I'm going to place here is a picture, and then I'll talk about the picture here in row 3. Let's go to a place where I know I have a picture, and you'll notice from the example we're looking at a church. So I'm going to click on Insert, Picture, and I'm going to scroll down to Computer Lab, a little bit further, 9 Huffman, Lessons and Examples, Table Data Photos, and I made them small so that it doesn't take up a lot of room. I'm going to click on this little down arrow here and look at larger icons. Now the first one I'm going to place in there is going to be the church, and to do that, I found the church. I'm simply going to click on it and click on Insert. Upon doing so, I'm going to reduce the size. All right, we can make an adjustment later on. Over here on Monday, you determine what class that you would want to place in there. I'm going to click on Insert, Picture again, but the one I'm going to choose is one that I really like, and that is this one. And that is the computer class. Duh. Okay, let me make this one a little bit smaller. Oh. And place it right about there. Okay, now we can increase the size later on. So, in essence, what you're going to do is place pictures of different classrooms. Let me do that for you so we don't hold you up and watching me insert pictures. Now, if you want the pictures all to be the same size exactly, click on the picture. Over to the far right, you see size. Click on your down arrow, and I'm going to make these height of 2 and a width of 3. Oops, 3. And click on OK. And now it'll be the same size for everything. Once you have your pictures in, just simply place your cursor here, and you can type in here whatever you want relative to each day of the week. Now, the last thing I would like to show you is obviously we don't have anything over here in this cell. I'm going to highlight, and I'm going to right click, and I'm going to click on delete cells, and you'll notice it says shift cells left. I'm going to click OK and watch the screen. So now it's clean. There's nothing listed over there. Make sure that you place your name up at the top. Let me show you how to do that. To do that, I'm simply going to click on Insert, Header and Footer. The third one down is Alphabet. Click in there and type in your name and grade. Once that's in there, just simply hit your Escape key located in the upper left-hand corner, and you're all set. Print this out, and you've completed this assignment. There's more to doing tables in this, but this was the first and simplest one to do. Thank you for watching.